What was the intro again? Oh, yeah. Life is good. God is great. And may we strive in prosperity. So, again, a quick update on the business. Like we always do. This is the structure of our videos. Quick update on the business. So, I've been working. I've been putting in the work the last weekend, the last week. And now I got everything tomorrow. Tomorrow was a very big day to start off the week. So, first and foremost, I got my ads scheduled, ready to be posted tomorrow morning at midnight. So tomorrow I could be making money. Again, another batch of ads that I'm excited for. I think this might be it. But again, that's not even it. Then tomorrow I have a call around late afternoon to start my mentorship. I guess to say a new venture in e-commerce. And again, I'm very, very excited for that. And then also, a very big, eventful day tomorrow. I'm starting a new Instagram account. So I've edited and worked on a few Instagram reels. I'll be posting them here on YouTube on my shorts. And I'm creating a business Instagram account. So right now I have my personal, I post all my pictures of my lifestyle and me, trying to flex how good I look, right? But this Instagram account is going to be strictly for business. I'm going to be posting, content, kind of more of a, personal branding in the business niche. Focus really on that. Kind of separate from all the people I know in real life and kind of just venture more to posting a lot of video content and try to grow connections worldwide. I don't want people to, in my area to know about it or see it. It's not important to them unless they're into the e-commerce business mentality. Sure, I don't care. But yeah, everything's starting tomorrow. But again, I just don't want to talk about that. Obviously, my updates for my businesses my personal businesses are pretty quick. But again, I like to provide you more value, and I like to have a topic and to talk about school. I like to talk about school and dropping out of school. And this is going to be, I can go on for hours. I can go on for absolute hours about this topic. But I'm going to try to make it as short as possible. And it's funny enough, I just found out that my mom watches these videos. So, hi, Mom. This might not be easy for you to hear, but here we are. I have around a month and a half less in this semester, and then I'm done, and I'm dropping out. And it's not in a sense where it's a motivation, like when I start seeing results, I'm going to drop out, I'm going to be a university dropout. No, I'm actually dropping out, the decision is made with or without the results. And before you start questioning if you agree with school or not, I want to just mention, I'm not against school. I think school is actually still somewhat valuable in this day and age. I really think, especially I watched a video on Alex Armosi, which kind of made me push to this decision. Obviously, I've been wanting to do this decision for so long, but after watching this video, it was a 30-minute video of him talking about if he would drop it or not. And it was a very unbiased opinion video going through the analytics, the data of if school would benefit you or not. And in the category of not, I fit all those criteria. And I'm not going to start naming them, but I fit in the category of school will not benefit me. And I finally came to the conclusion, even if I would graduate, I'm not using my degree. So I'm going to stop wasting time and drop out. And the thing about that I really want to mention with the school, is that I've had this idea where you have to be ready to drop out of school, right? You can't just drop out. You got to be ready. And for me, when I thought ready was financially ready, I got to be making money for me to drop out. But I actually think that is a wrong way of looking at it. I think the most important, and if not the only important factor of you dropping out or me dropping out, is if you're mentally ready. Because it is a mental toll. It will be very difficult, especially, the social dilemma around me. People will pass comments. People will view me differently. They will judge me. They will say that what I'm doing is wrong. And it will definitely have an effect on my mind. But the thing is that when I talk about if you're ready or not, you have to be mentally ready. Because if you were not mentally ready, even if you have results, even if you're making a few $1,000s, if you drop out and you're not mentally ready, you will fuck up and you will deal with more failures because you're stressed. Oh, I'm not in school. Now this is the only way possible. I got to make sure it works and keep working, and you fuck up and then you lose it all. And now you're screwed. I think it's a lot about your mentality. And I've been warming up this idea for years. And again, like I said, with or without it, I'm ready. I think it's time to move on. I think it's time to actually take action to grow and move on. And a lot of people will disagree. A lot of people will view me differently. And a lot of people, again, they will view me differently in a negative way. And for anyone, either you agree with me or not, I don't give a fuck about your opinion. When I say I'm mentally ready, I now don't doubt myself even a single percent. I truly believe you give me the same amount of time as a degree, 3 to 4 years like I have left, I will figure it out in 3 to 4 years. It's easy. It's obvious. I feel like I'm going to figure it out within the year. But that's just, me being optimistic. But give me that time. And I think that will work with everyone if you're mentally ready. If you put work, and I'm talking about serious hours on a skill or a business for 4 years, it's inevitable. You will never get worse if you work on something every day. You can't get worse. Yeah, maybe your progress might stay or go up slow, but you'll never get worse. And it's the simple rule of 10,000 hours. If you do 10,000 hours in a single skill or a business, you will be deemed as a master in it. I'm not scared. I am fully confident in myself. I don't need anyone else to doubt me. I don't need anyone else to be scared for me or to not believe in me. I don't care. And again, people may view me as I'm going to become a loser now because I won't figure it out. I don't care. Like, I really don't care. A big issue of why I didn't do this sooner was because, one, I doubted myself. I didn't believe in myself. And two, I cared about what other people thought about me. But I don't anymore. I don't. Because I know the word's going to spread. I know the word's going to spread to people who I don't want to know. Sorry, I know that the word is going to spread to people who I don't want to know about the situation. But I know it's inevitable. And they're going to come up with accusations and assumptions. And I'm ready. Bring it on. I'm just very excited because it's funny how, again, I'm trying not to make this long, but I have so much to say about this. And I hope you're watching and getting value from this. I wrote down on the board, and I even have a picture, that I will drop out of school by September 2024. And yes, I've had a bunch of other plans before that. Like, I'd be making this amount of money. I'd be doing this. But at the end of the day, you seriously, truly believe that nothing goes according to plan, exactly how you plan it. But as long as you reach your end goal, that's all that matters. And I've manifested this, just how I manifested this YouTube. I'm pretty sure I've told you the story. I made a goal to get 1,000 subscribers by August, and I set it by June. And in June, I had 400 subscribers. And at the looks of it, the pace I was going, I was going to achieve not even close to it. But I said, I had a feeling by August, I'm going to do it. And I said, I'm going to do it this way, this way, this way. August comes, and I'm still at like 600 maybe. And I'm still not there. But then I make one video, and mid-August I blow up, and that video gets me all the subs till 1,000. And then I didn't plan on this video in my plan to get to 1,000. I didn't plan on this video being the one to get me there. So like I'm saying, your plan never goes according to it. But I had the end goal. I believed in it every single fucking day. I manifested that shit. I spoke to God. God was with me. And I got it. And the same thing with this now. I said I was dropping out. Yes, my plan was I would be making this amount of money and doing this and I'm learning to become a man of my word. And for the major things, I've been fulfilling my promises. And I'm very excited. School is not for everyone, and school is for some people. School is good for you, maybe. Maybe you want to become a doctor or a lawyer. Maybe you're in the top schools of the world. Maybe you're in Harvard. And yeah, fuck it. Go it. Do it. But I'm at a mediocre university in Montreal in probably one of the worst degrees possible in business. It brings absolutely zero value to me. It's not worth it for me. Seriously, it's not even an opinion. It's actually just looking rationally, logically, and thinking, what's the best move? And I truly believe this is the best move. And people will say, what if you're wrong? What if you do this? Yeah, there could be that possibility. For years I've been talking about this, and I built a confidence where it's impossible. School is not, like, by far. It's not even close. I don't even debate it. It's not for me. I know the decision that I'm making is 100% the best one. I think that's the mentality you have to have. And like, this is the point I was trying to make, is that you have to be mentally ready. And I'm fucking mentally ready. Whoever's watching this, whoever is going to watch this and know me personally and come up to me and try to talk to me about this, please don't, if you really are just trying to shove your opinion. It would just save us a lot of energy, because you won't change it. I appreciate you trying to help. But at the end of the day, I do what's best for me. I'm just so excited. I can't wait. It's gonna be scary. I'm gonna be fucking scared shitless. I'm not gonna lie. But oh man. Just like the intro, life's good, God's great. It is. It's very true. And again, I'm not gonna try to make this long. If you want me to talk more about this, I can go on for hours. Comment down below, and I'll make a fucking hour-long video about this. I have so much to say about this. I'm trying to condense it as much as possible. But again, don't be influenced. Don't drop out because I'm doing it. This is just my journey. I'm not telling you to do anything. Like I have in the description, there's no financial or personal advice. This is my journey. I'm talking about my decision, what's best for me. But the only advice I'll give you is fucking work hard, train hard, stay positive, optimistic, keep working on your business, keep trying to make money, keep trying to become the superior man, and that's when I'll see you at the top.